Hey, I just want to say, don't let nobody stop your movement, yo. Don't let nobody block what you got going on for yourself. If you got goals, go after them. Fuck people's opinions. If they ain't giving you no positive feedback or no real deal constructive criticism, leave them alone. Their opinion don't even matter.
I appreciate your patience tonight.
The only thing that matters is your opinion and how you feel about what you're going after. That's the only thing that's important. Stay focused on your goals. Leave fuck people alone. Leave motherfuckers who ain't got no goals or ambitions alone. Leave people alone who ain't got no hope. Leave people alone who still in survival mode. They can't do nothing for you. No matter how much you love them, they can't do nothing for you, and they can't do nothing for themselves until they help themselves. Keep that shit moving, yo. Love from a distance. Sometimes you can get too close. Just like flowers. It's good for you to admire them, but you don't want to pick them up. Don't pick them up. They'll die. They'll die immediately. Leave them where they at. Admire. Keep moving forward. Keep walking. But your time is now. Make it happen. Believe in yourself. If you want something, go after it. Don't wait for nobody. The longer you wait for people, it'll never happen. Because it's not their vision. It's not their desire. They don't have that energy. You got to get up and get going for yourself. People gonna hate on you. People hate to see you smiling every day. Fuck them. Keep doing you. People hate to see you making money. People hate to see you doing better than them. And a lot of times you might not even really be doing better than them. A lot of times they just hate to see a fucking smile on your face. Weak motherfuckers, hating ass bitches. Hate to see a smile on your face. Fuck them. Keep that shit pushing. Keep doing you. Keep being bright. Keep smiling. Keep making that money. Keep executing your goals. Let them hate. There's a good saying. If you ain't have no haters, you ain't doing it right. They gonna talk about you. They gonna whisper. They gonna do little things to try to trigger you, to bring you down. It might come a time where you might have to bite a little bit. You might have to bark. Because sometimes your kindness can be taken for weakness. That's true. That's a true statement. Your kindness can be taken for weakness. And sometimes in life, in the animal kingdom, you gotta bark. You might have to bite a motherfucker. Fuck whoever it offends. It don't even matter. It don't matter who it offends. Because obviously they crossed the barrier. They crossed the line with you. They thought it was sweet. Yeah. They thought it was sweet. Keep being you, yo. Keep shining bright. Keep being vibrant. Keep spreading positive energy. They hate it. Keep doing it anyway. Your light is what make them cringe. Keep smiling. Keep being bright. Keep doing you. Don't lose focus. Don't lose hope. Or don't let that little energy throw you off. It could be one or several people. It could be multiple people. You're doing something right. You're in the universe right now to balance this shit out. So keep balancing. I love you. I'll let y'all like, follow, subscribe.